Today I will do unboxing SmallRig lightweight mat box. So here is the box. It's nice box. And this is the number 2660 SmallRig mat box, which I bought on SmallRig website, so I paid with my money. This is not sponsored but by anybody. So here is the box and let's open it. Oops. Okay, inside the box we have a nice mat box. You can open it. So this is the top, this is side and bottom, this is plastic, this is fiber. You can lock or unlock this with this, and you can actually even take it out, so you can have only the box without this, and you can put it back. So it's nice, small box, very lightweight. And what we have in inside the box. So we have two boxes, adapter rings, two in each box, and the numbers are, let me see, this is 77, 67, and the other one is 82 and 72. So it comes with 4 adapter rings, and SmallRig sent me free this box, which is adapter ring 95 to 114 millimeters. So thank you SmallRig for that. And here is the ring, and this one has number 95. Okay, so basically I have 5 rings, so you can use different lenses, and nice SmallRig mat box. So this is good for when you're shooting outside and in sun, so there will be no flaring to your lens, your camera. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will do next video. I will put this mat box on my camera, which is Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 6K Pro, very long name. So I will do video of that, and again, if you like this video, give me thumb up please, and tell some friends, share with your friends, and subscribe please. It will help to growing to my channel. So thank you again, and see you next time. Ciao.